Mozilla Persona is a new way to log into websites with the singular goal of getting rid of the password. Our goal is a world where users can use websites with no new username to remember and no new password to forget. This is not only good for users but also websites, as it reduces sign-up friction and eliminates the need to securely store passwords. Today, we're announcing the Persona Beta 2 release. It brings a pile of iterative improvements and one killer feature. To quickly recap, Persona is an open authentication system that works everywhere, on desktop and mobile. It's developed by Mozilla, a non-profit with the goal of promoting openness and innovation on the web. Persona is built on open standards, and it's free to use at any scale. Persona is important because it makes login easier. Today, people are using more websites on more devices than ever before. Persona complements this trend by reducing the number of passwords users have, letting them type them less, which is especially important on mobile devices. Persona Beta 2 brings a pile of improvements. We've integrated Persona into Firefox OS, Mozilla's new mobile operating system landing in stores this summer. Persona works in more places, and now it loads twice as fast on your website. But let's get to that killer feature. With Beta 2, if you use Persona on your website, hundreds of millions of users can log in using their existing email address and password. Users don't need to create a new account. They simply use what they already have, their webmail account. There's no new username to forget, and there's no new password to remember. Think about it. This gives you the fantastic convenience of social sign-in without all of the user confusion and fear. So let's get a feel for this. Here's a site I've never logged into before. First, I click the sign-in button. Next, I type in my Yahoo email address, and then on yahoo.com I click OK, and the rest is done. I just signed into your website. I've never been here before, and the whole process took me 10 seconds. This feature is called identity bridging, and to start, we've enabled it for all yahoo.com email addresses. In the coming months, we'll bring support for other popular webmail providers, which will bring this level of convenience to more than half of all internet users worldwide. So, if you're an email provider and you want your users to have this seamless login experience, we urge you to step up and build support for Persona. And if you have a website, now is the time to give your users a better, faster, and safer sign-in experience. Put Persona on your site and let hundreds of millions of users sign in with just a few clicks.